I'm Ian Hecox, a mediocre comedian and a terrible cook. I'm off to learn from the best kind of teacher there is, Nanas. Today's Nana is Rita, who's putting her spin on a traditional holiday recipe. Rita, hi.
Hi, Ian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is Sunday at Nana's. All right, Rita, well, you've fitted me in your granddaughter's apron. I think it's beautiful and it fits me just fine.
I think it's very cute on you.
So what are we making today?
We're making sweet potatoes in orange shells.
Sweet potatoes for me have always been, they're just plain, they're boring.
They're just
I'm
nothing.
not a fan.
I know. Well, that's exactly how I started looking for the right recipe.
So you tried doing the thing that everybody does where you just put marshmallows on top and the kids just eat the marshmallows. This is what I did.
Yeah, they ate the marshmallows and, of course, did not eat the sweet potatoes. So I decided I was going to make it my business to make a tasty sweet potato so that everybody would at least try them.
Right.
And usually, if somebody tries it, they like it. Are you familiar with Nilla wafers?
Yeah.
Well, they grind up to be like flour.
Okay.
So I just took the flour out of the recipe altogether.
Replace with no wafers.
Yeah, and
I like your thinking. You replace, a basic thing with a cookie-like thing.
right.
That's right up my alley.
Yeah. We need to grind that.
Nilla wafers.
Nilla
Okay.
wafers, yes.
So I just dump it in there and then hit on?
Turn it on grind.
Okay.
You see how perfect that is? I'm going to cut the oranges. Okay, now you just score it, yeah.
Okay. So I don't want to stab through the orange, right?
No.
Okay. All right, what now?
See where the cut is?
Okay, yep.
See that?
Work my finger in there.
Yeah, and then just put your fingers like so
Okay.
and pull up the fruit.
Like when you're doing this, how much of these oranges do you just eat while you're doing it?
Oh, lots of times.
I would. I'm gonna start one over here if you don't mind.
Sure. See, first thing,
Don't let a good orange go to waste.
don't go to waste, believe me. So tell me what you like to do.
Apparently just break into strangers' houses and cook with them.
Oh, well, that sounds good. I like that.
It's worked out so far. I haven't been stabbed yet.
Well, you didn't look carefully at that knife, did you?
Oh, that's true. Wow, so you completely cleaned this thing out. Look at the comparison right here. That's 40 years of practice.
And this you can just twist off and throw it away.
So what are we doing with these oranges now?
I'm going to take them and put them in the casserole. You could crack those 3 eggs.
Now with cracking the eggs, I guess people do it one of two ways. They go kind of like around softly, and some people just bash it. You a basher?
Yeah. And I'll give you a whip so you can whip the egg while I mash, or would you like to mash, whatever you wish.
I would love to do everything. I don't want to make you work too hard. I'm getting your home all messy. I prefer to do all the work.
Okay.
There's some shells in
Keep
there.
your finger out of there.
There's some shells in there.
Okay, take them out. But how about a spoon?
Oh.
Here's
Never
one.
think about those things. I just
Here
dig
it
right
is,
in there.
Right here.
Yeah, I think we're good. And then so what are you doing over here now? You're putting
I'm putting sour cream
into the
in with the
sweet potato.
and this is orange juice.
Okay, pouring the orange juice in.
This is marmalade. And then we can put the sugar in. All right, I want to mush this first.
Do you mind if I mush?
No, you're welcome to
Oh,
mush.
yeah. So we want this to be one unrecognizable heap of food.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
This is the Nilla wafers, and it looks nice and thin.
The Nilla wafers are sort of a thickener then?
Yeah.
All right, and now add the egg?
Now we'll add the eggs.
All right.
Yes.
Starting to feel pretty good. Smells good. So we have our oranges right here.
Yes. Now be careful because you don't want to go up too high. Let me show you on the first one.
All right, so I'll give it a shot. Oh no. I might not have made the prettiest ones, but
Oh, no, no, no.
they'll do.
They're just fine.
Right.
So you want to put the pecans on first?
I feel like I'm doing arts and crafts. All right, so we got it all together. How long do we put it in the oven for, and for what temperature?
350,
Okay.
and it's approximately 35 to 45 minutes.
Okay, great.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. All right, Rita, we have the final product here.
They look terrific.
I agree.
Go
All right,
ahead,
I'm just gonna
take a
dig.
bite.
I'm just gonna dig right in. Just gonna get some of that marshmallow, some of that pecan.
Pecans.
This is definitely way better than a sweet potato.
I think so too.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
That's yours. You can have it.
I'm gonna have the whole thing. Well, I had a great time. I'm gonna finish the rest of this, but thank you so much for letting us all into your place.
It was so much fun working with you.
And we'll see you guys on the next one.